Listen, if fundraising right now feels like trying to hit a moving target blindfolded, you're not alone. You've spent hours, days, maybe months chasing donors who vanish, or worse, who never even had any real interest in your cause. It's brutal. You send 100 messages, get a handful of responses, then just silence. That's not failure. It's a broken system. And guessing who will give isn't guessing anymore. It's gambling. So why keep playing a game rigged from the start? Here's the thing. AI isn't just another buzzword they throw around to sound smart. It's the key to smashing through this endless cycle of waste. Stop shooting in the dark. Start knowing who actually cares, deep down, and cut the noise. Imagine having a tool that looks at tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of data points, quietly picking out the people who not only can give but want to give, because their behavior, interests, history, and values all line up perfectly with your mission. AI does that. Not magically, but because it feels patterns we can never see. Forget targeting broad groups and hoping something sticks. That's yesterday's hustle. AI lets you slice data in ways no human ever could. It spots the donor who is on the edge of saying yes before they even know it themselves. That's precision, on a level that turns frustration into confidence. No more endless cold calls or wasted emails. What you get instead is a list full of people primed for action, because the AI has already filtered out the noise, the tired leads, the maybe-laters. You need to stop thinking about donors like they're just potential checks. They're people with stories, emotions, triggers. AI doesn't just crunch numbers. It learns what moves them. Their habits, when they're most receptive, even the causes that make them give right now versus later. Use that. Schedule your asks when it matters. Personalize every message to the point where no one can ignore it. If your emails read like spam, AI can change that by crafting the right tone, the right ask, the right connection every time. Here's the harsh truth no one wants to admit. If you're still sticking to old-school fundraising tactics, you're bleeding money and time every single day. No matter how passionate you are, passion without strategy is just noise. AI gives you that strategy. It empowers you to be smarter, faster, sharper. It helps you jump ahead of the herd. It turns your pipeline into a machine that works on data-driven instincts, not hope or hustle alone. But don't dive in swimming blindly. You have to own the process. Use AI not as a magic wand, but as your partner. Constantly train it, feed it data, teach it what success looks like specifically for you. Segment your lists ruthlessly. Drop anyone who's dead weight. Double down on those signals showing real interest. You have to be brutal here, because every minute you waste following dead feeds the noise and buries your cause deeper. Treat AI like you would a top sales rep who never sleeps and never misreads a lead. This is your battlefield now. Fundraising isn't just about asking money anymore. It's about targeting the right people with the right message at the right damn moment. AI doesn't replace the human touch. It sharpens it, makes it laser-focused and powerful. It's not about throwing spaghetti against the wall, but about building a sniper's rifle for your donor outreach. And if you think AI is just a tool for the big players, that's short-sighted and dangerous thinking. The startup founder, the small NGO, the scrappy team, they can all scale smarter with this, because AI levels the playing field. It takes raw potential, data, and a bit of strategy, and turns it into momentum that grows faster than you ever thought possible. So stop struggling with guesswork, stop chasing ghosts, get obsessed with precision. Use AI to find the few who will move your mission forward, relentlessly. Train it, trust it. But most importantly, act. Because every second you delay, someone else is turning data into dollars and connections into change makers. and you're missing out. This is what real fundraising looks like in 2024. Sharp, smart, unstoppable. Get on that level or get left behind. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.